Hello viewers. Something new that I wanted to do on my channel was filming the Cold War era air raid sirens of Los Angeles. So I'm starting with Siren 166 at Wood Lake and Strathern in West Hills. And there's a map of it showing where I am in the city, in the San Fernando Valley area. So this is model SD10. It's nicknamed the Wire Spool. They're located all over the San Fernando Valley and the city of Los Angeles. So just something I thought I'd start checking them out. Seeing where they're all located throughout the valley and the LA area. So this one is a wire spool. So just something I thought I'd start looking for is all the Cold War era air raid sirens. All right. There you go. Air raid siren 166. Thanks for watching.